So what's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I just wanted to come here and present to you an alternative browser. So I know you have the mastodons which are there, Chrome, Edge and Mozilla, but there are still some other browsers that do exist and they usually have some interesting features, so you might want to check them out as well. So today we're going to look at Sidekick, which is an interesting productivity oriented browser that I think you should definitely check it out. So yeah, you have a productivity browser for focused work. And so Sidekick makes the internet distraction free. It speeds up your workflow and protects against attention killers. So you can already see from the onset what it is trying to do here. So you can see it was #1 on product hunt for a week. It equally has some other badges as well. You can find it on the Play Store. Sorry, not the Play Store, the Microsoft Store, and yeah, from Microsoft as well. Yeah, or you can download it directly into Windows. So yeah, so if you want to check it out, you can go ahead to this URL, meetsidekick.com, and you can go ahead and download it and you can see how it works. Here already you have some images of the interface, what it looks like, some information up here. You can see the apps are all lined up to the left, so they have quick access to all of them, and you can equally add as well some others. The plus sign makes that clear. Yeah, so you can already see it's productivity oriented for you to be navigating through your apps quite seamlessly. So it's loved by 70,000 plus people from companies like all these. You reimagine your working experience by protecting your attention and data. Lightning fast, private, streamlined, and so on. Apps at your command. You can equally just add apps quite easily and fast for quicker access onto them. So eradicate tab clutter. It prefer to go with the vertical tab clutter, the vertical alignment of the tabs. You can equally go with the horizontal as well. You combine both. Yeah. So find anything instantly, search across your apps, tabs, documents, workspaces to find things in seconds. Yeah. So balance your tasks, your ways, split the view about simultaneous editing, instant replies, and crushing to-do lists, all from a single window. So this is kind of a very interesting browser. It comes with a lot of features, deep dive into focus mode, jump between multiple accounts easily, the only desktop app you are going to need. Yeah, so I guess they're trying to do everything: productivity, speed, workflow, focus, and many other things. Yeah, so it's definitely an interesting browser. I think you should check it out, and you might see that it replaces the default browser you've been using for years. So yeah, that's just a quick preview on Sidekicks. You can check as well the additional features it has, Sidekick features, but I think the homepage has already listed them pretty much, so we're just going to be going through the same things here. So it's free. You can equally have a pro version, Sidekick Pro, which I guess comes with some additional features: 5 sidebar apps, 10 apps in total, 2 sessions, ad blockers, and all other things. Yeah, so that's it. I think that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.